Snap the asparagus. Asparagus naturally snaps where the tender stalk meets the tough woody end, which can be discarded. Wash the asparagus. Put the washed asparagus in a jar that has been washed and dried. Fill the jar with water to cover the asparagus. Empty the water into a saucepan and check the weight of the water. For us it was 900 grams. Measure out salt that is 10% the weight of the water, in this case 90 grams. Add the salt to the water. Boil the water, stirring to help dissolve the salt. When the water has boiled, add it to the jar. It is important to do this before the water cools. Make sure the jar is tightly closed and turn the jar upside down. This will seal the jar, which is vital for the preserving process. You can preserve as many jars of asparagus as you need to. Thanks for watching. Please click like, comment below to let us know how you got on, and subscribe for more great content.